you let it run? Are you videoing?
Yeah. Ah! Oh my God, look at that.
Over here.
Me?
Yeah, over here.
Uh-oh. See if they just move.
Flash. There's the fish, see it?
Yep.
Oh my God. That is so gross.
Just let it do what it wants to do. Let it get tired.
What do you think, Sid?
Try to.
See the flasher?
Oh my, oh I
See how
thought
it
that.
flashes in the sun? Alright, now you.
Oh my gosh, that is sick. Is that a catfish?
Oh, it's a salmon.
It looks like a
You
catfish.
can't reel up anymore. You have to stand up. Oh, it wants to go, let it go.
Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Ew, that was like
Oh,
hurts.
wow.
Oh my God, that's a good one.
Ah! No, get me away from that. Get me away from that.
Well, at least we're in the boat now.
Please.
What's wrong with that?
It's probably hitting a net or something.
Stop laughing, that's not funny.
Oh, you got this one double hook.
Yeah.
That is.
That's those pliers now.
Okay. Okay, hold this, please.
Okay. You want me to stop videoing?
No, it's not funny.
You want me to stop videoing?